Well, hello geometry. Welcome to another week. What we have planned for this week is looking at parallel lines and angle relationships. This week has a lot of vocabulary in it. So, as part of that emphasis on the vocabulary, you'll see that the vocabulary words are listed right here at the top. In my videos, I do a lot of angle descriptions and a little bit of the math that falls into those angle relationships. When you get to the practice for this week, it is a little longer, but hopefully it goes by pretty quickly and smoothly. And so you'll be able to take it a couple of times to really hammer down your understanding of our vocabulary and how it applies to our equations in mathematics. Don't forget, your discussion is about posting something that you know, and the extra credit is where your questions can be posted and where you can answer other people's questions. And that extra credit will go into the gradebook and be able to bump you up at most 5 points. The quiz, as normal, will be posted on Wednesday, right after the synchronous sessions with period 3. And we'll be able to go from there. I look forward to helping you guys out this week. Don't hesitate to email me questions. We can organize Google Meets if you need. Otherwise, I'll look forward to seeing you during our synchronous sessions. Have a great week. Take care.